What's up YouTube? Hello guys, and I am back with another video. It's your girl Amaria. In case you don't know, let's like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me your favorite color, guys. How are you doing today? Okay, listen. It is December 17th, guys, and I am back with another video. As I was editing, I realized that my first half of my video did not get recorded, so I'm here with my intro. If I'm being honest, I did the intro like 3 times, and just a second ago it didn't get recorded again. But this is the message that I have for you guys. Be yourself. No matter what you're going through in life, no matter what people are telling you, no matter what obstacles you face, be yourself. Do what you like to do. Do what you are passionate about. Because when you put love, energy, and hard work and determination into something, you will succeed 100. You will succeed 100%. Censored, but you get the picture. Seriously, you don't gotta see me to hear the message. 100%. Be you. Do what you like to do. I'm using Fenty by Rihanna as one of her pro filters. I had 3, but 2 of them got destroyed. Babies love makeup, guys. Keep it out of their hands. So this is my last little lone survivor, but I love this one too. It's really good for my under eye, especially because, like I said, I have bags under my eyes all the time. Blend it in. I'm actually not going to be putting on any lashes on today, guys. I'm going to just use mascara and maybe some eyeliner just because I want to do a break on lashes. I always suggest don't always wear lashes, guys. Just, take a break every now and again because you need your time to rejuvenate. Just like I don't like to wear wigs all the time. I like to change it up, put braids in, you know what I mean? Because you get sick of that. You get sick of that feeling you want your hair to breathe, you want to feel your scalp. I wear my natural hair out usually, before I put the braids on, but it's really up to you. You don't have to. Alright, guys. So that's pretty good. I'm going to now do my Milk Makeup highlighter. Usually I use my Fenty highlighter, but I want something kind of like subtle for right now. I don't want to do a little bit too much right now. So I go for like semi-natural, mainly natural look. Okay. I'm looking in the mirror for this. It's always good to make sure you are getting that line that is right above your brow and right under your eye, which is right here. Ooh. You see what I'm talking about, right? Right there. Ooh, wait. Okay, yeah. Anyways, you get it. Just that swoop. Okay? Get that. And you're gonna be good. The nose too. Like I said, you just want to make sure that you get your ideal look. This side is a little bit more for me. Yes, that swoop right there, okay? get that, do that with that. Yes, okay. That's it. After this, what I like to do is I want to make sure you do. I like to do. I do my eyeshadow before I do my eyeliner. So I'm not gonna do too much eyeshadow. Some little subtle. You're saying something little cute, bright and cute. That's it. Got my mermaid look going on. Yeah, who be doing their makeup with their eyes closed? Comment down below, because I sure do a lot. How that look? Okay. Okay guys, so now I'm going to do my eyeliner. Y'all, you should definitely check out my other video, my makeup tutorial that I did for eyeliner as well, but I need precision with this, so get back to you on one. Alright guys, so I was going to do the eyeliner and I decided not to. Just going to do the mascara. Make sure I get all of that, okay? And you see the difference. This is my Ulta Beauty Bold Ambition one. I do love I have this other one that I love is Anastasia. This one is my Milk Medium one. Use the extra square. Okay, so as you can see, this is the final look. Let me know what you think. Is it a big difference? I try to do something very subtle, something natural, giving me, ooh, she just woke up kind of. Does that make sense? So, I do finish with my e.l.f. mist. Okay, here's the thing. You can use this, or this, I got from Whole Foods. It has different types of, like, all of them are different types of fillings, and you know, some is lavender. It's facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water is one of them. Other one is aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Other one is aloe, chamomile, and lavender. And this one is aloe, sage, and orange blossom. I freaking love these. I love these. I love these. It gives your face that rejuvenating feeling. You get the smell, the scent, all of it. And it's literally just like setting spray. So definitely check it out, guys. Also, seriously, holidays are here. If you want to work from home. Alright guys, and I completed the look. What do you think? I'm kind of showing my hair a little bit for real too. But yeah. And super natural. Honestly, I completed it like maybe a couple hours ago, if I'm being real. But it's okay. But it's okay, guys. So, this is the toasted coconut from amariaaudrey.com, guys. Super good. Smells amazing. Look at that. Hold on. Can you see that? Yeah. Oh yeah. So don't forget to check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me your favorite color, guys. Mine is purple. Also, like I said, my birthday is in 5 days. I'm a little nervous. This birthday feels different. I don't know why, but yeah. Don't forget to subscribe.